large part of the city has some level of flooding. We have crews surveying to determine the severity of flooding in each neighborhood so we can establish a course of action going forward.
At this hour, crews in Broward County are still responding to calls for help after Wednesday's historic flooding. This is new video out of Plantation where a car was just towed out of a pond. Drivers are warning people that it's really difficult to know what's under the water and just how deep it is.
And take a look at this. You can see water rushing through a garage parking in Fort Lauderdale. State officials conducted a flyover earlier today and say there are areas that still look like they have about 3 feet of standing water. And as the flooding in Fort Lauderdale begins to recede, insurance agents and FEMA leaders say now's a good time for people in our area to consider purchasing flood insurance if you don't have it already.
Our Steve King joining us from the Treasure Coast with some important information that experts say you need to know about flood insurance.
I spoke with an insurance agent and a FEMA spokesperson, and they both say what happened in Fort Lauderdale this week shows that you should have flood insurance regardless of whether you live in a flood zone.
The easiest thing to remember is you don't necessarily need to look at a flood map. Just look at your address. If your address says Florida on it, you need flood insurance.
FEMA spokesperson John Mills says flood insurance is required for some homeowners who live inside of a flood zone, but he says even if you live somewhere where it's not required, having flood insurance is the safest bet.
In Florida, you either live in a high-risk flood zone or you live near one. Water does not follow lines on a map.
He also reminds all Floridians that unless a major disaster declaration is declared by the federal government, people with flood damage cannot apply for assistance for flood damage through FEMA. In Fort Lauderdale, there is no federal major disaster declaration, and today, the director of the Florida Division of Emergency Management said that likely will not happen. We also spoke with the owner of Jerger Insurance and Financial Service in Fort Pierce, who also highlights the need for flood insurance.
40 to 50% of the homes that are getting flooded is being flooded outside of your flood area zone. So what we're having in the state of Florida, as you see in Fort Lauderdale, is that you got flooding, and sometimes the people go without the flood insurance, and then they recognize that when they have the flooding event, they don't have coverage for it.
Experts say a typical flood insurance policy can cost about $340 a year. Typical policies usually cover about $250,000 for damage to the structure and $100,000 for damage to personal property inside the home. Coming up at 6, we'll show you how you can find out if you live in a flood zone, and for people with Citizens Property Insurance, what changes they can expect for flood insurance moving forward. Reporting from the Treasure Coast, Steve King, WPBF 25 News.